Today I'm going to show you every electrician and DIYer's best friend, the flush. Everyone has had or seen these issues before. Broken faceplates, pushed-in receptacles, light switches and receptacles that are loose. It's got elongated slots for adjustment when mounting your electrical device, and then we have leveling notches, so now you can get everything nice, level, and flush. Be done with your project. Flush ring from DS Precision. It's easy to install, and I'm going to show you. And before we start, let's make sure our circuit's off. We're good to go. So let's remove the faceplate. You can see how the material around there is chewed up. That's why it's pushing in. Of course, we have the power shut off. And it seems like they taped this off, which is good. If it's not taped off, please tape it off. So let's slip on our flush ring. Like so, and put it back together. We have a different light switch, we have a different material, but we have the same problem. Let's just pop off our faceplate. As you can see, we have a cracked faceplate. Same issues here. Let's go ahead and remove the faceplate. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our product, click on the link below.